Why do you drop it?
Because I can't carry a donut box and a box of, and like 2 coffees and a box of fucking sausage rolls. I need more paper towels.
This is for Joe's birthday?
Yeah, but now I don't like
Dom's back from Florida. Now we can actually make. Let's go.
You're doing some construction.
Oh, Matt Phobe.
You can build this.
With Phobe. It should be like a Home Depot ad with Phobe this time.
IKEA phobe.
IKEA Phobe.
Do I need like a screwdriver or anything, or I'm just hand doing this?
There's instructions in there too.
I can't read.
You're almost done.
I know. Thank God.
It'd be funny if you get all set up and you sit down and it just falls apart.
I wouldn't be shocked.
It's wet.
That SpongeBob episode when it rained. I used to love like the days at school when you'd go on the bus and it'd be pouring out. It's like a different vibe, but it was like the end of the world. So retail investors want to buy GameStop. Haha. Freeze frame, Dom. Not just digital hedge fund. Net worth 400 million. Retail investors never win. All right, I'm off to go play some bridge. Oh, they're screen printed. Cool.
What did you put? P and G? Oh, P and L.
P&L.
What are these?
Those are all the freight companies that are in Newark and like North Jersey that we pass. Those are all of them.
This is the same thing, just in white.
Yeah. Everyone gets a white and a black.
Eating profits.
Is that extra? All of those are. Why are these so thin?
Here, take these away. Take them.
Let's go. Let's go make money.
Because with Discord, you're not just buying like, when people are like, oh yeah, buy my course, do this, do that. It's like, you buy a course and there's no real help after you're done with it. Whereas when you do these programs in these communities, you're paying into being with the community of people who are all helping you. You get videos, you get time with Joe, you get free calls included, like everything's included. Hi, Kenny.
What's up?
Who is a good mentor? Joe's a good mentor. Joe's gone through all of it. Right, Joe?
You ain't ready for the eighth. She ain't ready for the eighth. Mad as savage in me back and I'm back and it happening, ready to blow. I remember doing deeds with Deji from the street, they left me on my own. Monkey asking me about how I got the P, I told her leave him mama grow. Then they're ringing off my phone. Then they're ringing off my phone. Times change, but mine's made up.
Hey, nice car. What do you do for a living?
I make $12 million a month.
What are you doing? What?
Quantitative crypto.
What is that?
So I like buy crypto, but like on the quant side, it's like crypto arbitrage. And I do it at like massive scale. This printer sucks. I've canceled this job 4 times and it still tries to print it. Here's a negative of yourself.
Thank you.
You're just printing blank pages. I think we need to print it.
There's 2. We have this one too, no?
I can't connect to that one.
Why not?
Weird.
This is actually really exciting for me. Like the side of me can't believe that this is happening, but hopefully doing business with you, I would love to utilize the services that you provide. I know that
Yo, voodoo chips. That's crazy. And there's still, yeah.
There's a lot. Are those returned?
Yeah,
No.
and they expire too early to send back in.
So they're ours.
So they're ours. They're lunch.
Time them lunch.
Thanks for them letters, baby, now you get 60. All of my bitches be yellow like Beezy. Flex on these niggas, I make it look easy. I'm dragging my nuts, they be all on my Fiji.